Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel everyone. We got some fabulous looks for you guys. It's a Chanel look that I came up with. I am so excited to share this video with all of you guys. I do hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to drop in those little comments. I really do enjoy reading everybody's comments. I love getting some feedback. Do you enjoy the video? Did you not? Is there any changes that I can make to make it better for you guys? I'm here to make the videos enjoyable and to bring you guys ideas and all kinds of different looks that you guys are gonna like. This look has been on Instagram all over the place, Pinterest, what's that other one? TikTok, and I thought I'd come up with my own look. So I really do hope you guys like it. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get to it, you guys. Let's get started, guys. So check it out. We got some beautiful nails. You guys have seen these before. These are gorgeous from Amazon. And this is all the products we'll be using. As you guys can see, some foils. We have, I don't know about the glitter, maybe not. But definitely the foils, the snake foils, they are gorgeous. We're going to use our beetle foil glue. So let's get started with that one. We're going to go ahead and put the foil glue and we're going to put it in the lamp for 60 seconds to cure it. We're going to go ahead and put the foils. And as you know, sometimes they don't stick very well, so you kind of have to go over it a little. Sometimes you have to put more glue. But as you guys can see, I'm kind of just going over it. If it needs glue, then you go ahead and put some glue. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and use our colors. You guys know we have that little pink. It doesn't really have a name brand. It's just a cheap little pink. And then we have, which is the one to use for the French manicure usually. We have our Beetles nude color that we'll be using. So we're going to go ahead and make this like an ombre look. And after that, we're going to go ahead and encapsulate the nail as well. And then we're going to go ahead and put the application, a little bit of the nude on the rest of the fingers, I believe I do. So it's going to be like a clear application for the rest of the fingers. So yes, as you guys can see here, very little of the nude that I put just to kind of cover where the nail been, where you could see it, see? And then we just put the clear for the rest of the nail. So it's only on the foil one that we did like ombre and we used a little bit of the pink. As you guys notice here, I am still using my brush that I had ruined on my last video. I tried fixing it and I did get a new one already in. I was just not ready to let go of this beautiful brush that I love so much, you guys. I really do have a hard time letting go of this brush. I love it so much. I feel like me and this brush have been like through so much. I'm so in love with this brush, and just the thought that I have to give it up already and start with a new brush. So as you guys can see, I wasn't ready. I tried to fix it. Obviously it's still a little crooked, but so far the application, it's coming along, as you guys can see. So remember, we used just very little of the Beetles nude just to kind of you know, cover up the nail area, and then on the bottom, on the rest of the nail tip, we go ahead and put the clear, and it looks beautiful, you guys. I love it. We're gonna go ahead and use this purple polish that turns a different color, so it's either clear or it turns purple. I will show you guys in the video with the water and all, and it's so awesome. I got this look from Instagram. I've been looking at it, and a lot of people have been doing their nails like this. It's like a clear, and then they bedazzle their nails like all cute with rhinestones. So I thought I'd give it a try. I thought that I could do my own look, of course, and I was definitely inspired with this look, definitely. So I came up with the whole thing of just adding some foils and then using the polish, the gel polish that changes colors. I haven't really seen that out there. Unless you guys have, please comment below and let me know if you have seen this type of look, because obviously we all have seen the clear. But have we really seen like the changing color one, like something like this of what I have created? So definitely I will show you guys as we go through this video. I did a little clips of it where I show you guys when I put my hands in the cold water and then I put them in the warm water. So you guys see what happens. It's so cool. I love it. Here we're gonna go ahead and start our filing, which is my favorite part. File away. Love to file my nails, you guys. This is a lot of fun for me. A lot of people don't like to file, but guess what? I love it. So we're gonna use my little machine. I still haven't given you guys a review on it because I'm trying to get used to the machine. I am in love with this machine, so definitely I have to do a little review for you guys. I have learned that with this machine, I sometimes have to go a little slow with it, obviously. So here we have the polish. Check it out, you guys. It is beautiful. These are all the polishes. I had done a video. I don't know what happened to the video. It never got uploaded, so I was a little disappointed, but I am gonna also do another video for you guys so you guys can see the rest of the colors. But we're gonna use like a light shade of purple, and this look, you guys, is turning out to look so awesome. I cannot wait for you guys to see the final product. It is gorgeous, you guys. I love it. My girlfriend actually saw this look and she had me do them for her. She did the short version, and I'm gonna go ahead and do Chanel, and I did Louis Vuitton for her. So if you guys go on my YouTube channel, I have one of those shorts videos on my YouTube, and you guys can check it out. I have put I think I put my BFF in there. We had such a blast, you guys. We had a nice little glass of wine. I did her nails. I believe I worked on her nails 3 to 4 hours. I wanted to do them perfect. I didn't want to cut her finger, so, and we were having wine, so it was a blast. Her nails look gorgeous. You guys can also check it out on Simple Pretty Nails on my TikTok. And I also, I believe, yeah, I have one of those shorts videos here on my YouTube, and you guys can check it out. So right here, we're going to go ahead and put the Chanel sticker. I love it. This is so cute. So far, the nails are looking gorgeous. Now we're going to go ahead and add some bling, 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 because I am loving my bling. I can't wait to get, I'm going to upgrade to some better looking rhinestones, you guys. But you know, these are from Amazon. I have the Kiara Sky ones that we're going to use. And they are beautiful. I purchased the Kiara Sky, a little baggie, for like $10. So far I had done a look for my daughter. I did a look for me. I did a look for my friend. So I still have all this bling bling. Check it out from Kiara Sky. It is gorgeous. They sparkle. So they're so cute. So you guys get to watch all the little designs that I have created for you guys. And you guys can obviously do it any way you want. This is just for you guys to get an idea, open up your mind, to come up with your own look as well. Or you can copy mine. I think this one is so beautiful, you guys. Look at this. It's turning out to look, it's beautiful. I love it. So we're going to use some of these. These are like leftover little, they're like little tiny little rhinestones. I do need to get some more because I really do like the way these look. I had used some on my daughter. Also, you guys can look up the video right there on one of my shorts on YouTube. And I did my daughter's nails. We recorded it for like a minute. So you see the whole thing. It's so cool. If you like short videos, check it out. You're going to like my daughter's nails. She went all blinged out. She did a blue marble swirl look. And then she did definitely a lot of bling. Because I took with her about 4 to 5 hours. And obviously she took a break in between. She had to eat dinner. And that kind of thing. So we took a long time. It was a lot of fun. I really did have a lot of fun with her. And right here, we're going to go ahead and put some beautiful bling bling. And I'm telling you guys, these nails are so fabulous. I've had them on, I believe, a week now. I have not taken them off. I am like, oh my God, I have to take them off because I have to do a new look for you guys. All those beautiful leaves, fall looking looks. But these are so beautiful. I have gotten so many compliments with these nails, you guys. Everywhere I go, I get a compliment. And people ask me where I got my nails done. And when I tell them that I did them myself, they're like, oh my goodness. There are people out there that really do appreciate this type of work because this is art. To me, this is so beautiful to be able to do your own nails. I do struggle with the hand, obviously. That is so hard, the opposite one. This is my good hand, and it's just coming out so beautiful. But obviously, I struggle so much with the other hand. I take longer, but I do take my time, and I do enjoy what I do. So I love doing both of my hands. It's so much fun. But this look, as you guys can see, it's already turning to look out like so gorgeous. As you guys can see, you know, you can use small, medium rhinestones. Whatever you think is going to look good, that's what you want to go with. Right here, I'm kind of putting like the medium size, and then I put some small ones on the bottom. So I'm just trying to bling out as much as I can so that it looks beautiful when I go out there. Because when you're like out there in the streets and like the sunlight is hitting it, it looks so beautiful, you guys. So right here you guys get to see, here we go. Clear. I believe that's warm water. This is cold. And they turn purple. Isn't that amazing, you guys? I really do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys on our next adventure.